In this video, we're going to do negative integer arithmetic with the C47 that is running on a SwissMicros DM42n. Okay, so this particular calculator runs on RPN, which you'll note that it doesn't have parentheses, and so the process in entering numbers in the calculator is a little bit different. So for example, let's say you were doing something like this. -3 take away -4. So what we can do is two negatives make a positive, right? And so that's going to give you -3 plus 4, which is going to give you +1. But how do you enter that on your calculator, right? So to do that, you'll press 3 and then the negative key, okay? Enter, then 4, and you can press the negative key. You can enter that number. You don't have to, okay? But I will. And then you can subtract, and you can see it's 1. So it's 3 negative, enter, 4 negative, and then subtract, gives you 1. No parentheses needed at all. Next one, 3 negative, you enter, 5 negative. You can enter it if you like, or you can just multiply at this point, which is 15. A negative times negative is a positive, 3 times 5 is 15. 5 negative, next one, enter, 8 negative, and then divide. 2 negatives make a positive when you divide, 0.625. This one, same thing. Type in 8, then negative, enter, 7, negative. You may enter it if you like, you don't. Then you say plus, right? If the signs are the same, then you add. In this case, you're going to add, right? Keep the sign. This one here is going to be interesting. We'll see. We press an 8. We give it a negative. And then you don't have to enter it. You can if you want. And here we're just going to square. So the square is over here. Shift, squared, and that's going to give you 64. As you can see, this is -8 times -8, which is 64. Okay, very interesting indeed. In some calculators like the TI-36 Pro or the TI-84, you type in -8, it's going to give you -64. So you need to know what your calculator does. This one in particular, you type in 5, you enter it. This one, you know that it's going to be 9 squared. So we take 9, then we square it, okay? And then we subtract. And that's going to give you -76, all right? So entering negative integers in the C47 is a little bit different than some algebraic calculators. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please tell your friends. Please tell your teacher. And I hope you have a wonderful semester. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.